Hi, I'm Sara Dhooma and welcome to my channel about long distance hiking, backpacking, and international adventure. I've traveled to over 75 countries and done some amazing treks. Some of my favorites include several Camino de Santiago routes, Mount Kilimanjaro, Everest Base Camp in Annapurna Circuit in Nepal, and in America, I've hiked on the Appalachian Trail and the Pacific Crest Trail. In 2019, I'll be hiking over 5,000 miles on 4 continents to bring you direct from the trail daily video blogs on through hiking the Israel National Trail, going for that Triple Crown on the Continental Divide Trail, West Highland Way in Scotland, Camino Salvatore and Camino Primitivo in Spain, Biblimon Track Down Under in Australia, and the Lishan Way in Turkey. I'll also be posting a variety of tutorial videos about topics like gear review, packing lists, trip planning, and costs, how to plan your next big hike, adventure, through hike, Camino, or international trip. Also watch out for an interview series with members of the hiking, Camino, and outdoor community. Be sure to subscribe below to stay updated and comment below to introduce yourself and say hello. I'll see you soon from the trail. Cheers.